Deathwatch beetles are a type of anobiid beetle. The larvae bore into wood as they feed and develop, weakening the wood, then they emerge after reaching adulthood to reproduce and restart the cycle. Deathwatch beetles are known to target softwoods, commonly used in structural supports like beams. In this video, we'll go over how to identify Deathwatch beetles, how to control an infestation, and how to prevent a breakout in the future. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to the wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Deathwatch beetles are small, round, convex-shaped beetles that are around 7 mm long at maturity. Their bodies are dark brown to reddish in color, with a mottled pattern, and their heads are hidden underneath their thoraxes and may not always be visible. The larvae are a pasty white color with bodies that are usually curled in a C shape. The head capsules are also white with dark mandibles, and they appear to have humped backs. Deathwatch beetles get their name from the noise they make. During medieval times, people thought this sound meant death was coming, but it's really just the sound of these beetles looking for mates. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Deathwatch beetles prefer to infest softwoods. They usually target older or decaying wood, or wood that is moist. Check exposed wooden support structures in your home in areas like the attic or basement where there is less access to ventilation. Examine the wood for exit holes. These holes are where the adult beetles emerge in preparation to mate. These holes may also be accompanied by small, pellet-like droppings, also referred to as frass. Keep in mind that holes in furniture, flooring, or other items made of hard wood may indicate the wood is infested with other pests that may require different approaches to treatment. After identifying your pest and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products settle completely. To control an active infestation of Deathwatch beetles, you'll need to apply an injection treatment with an insecticide like Fuze Foam. Fuze is a ready-to-use foaming product made with fipronil and imidacloprid, chemicals that are undetectable by target pests and that will eliminate them once they make contact. This foam product quickly expands to cover all surfaces in a crack, crevice, or void. In holes where pests have been observed, or where you've drilled into galleries, spray long enough for the product to expand and cover the entire surface area. When applied properly, beetles will travel through the treated areas normally and make contact with the chemical. Next, apply a product like Tim-Bor. Tim-Bor is a versatile wettable powder that can be applied to protect wood from insects or fungi. This product must be mixed with water before application. Once mixed, apply your solution with a handheld sprayer. For general liquid spray applications, mix a 10% solution by mixing 1 pound of product into 1 gallon of water. Spray your solution onto exposed wood. Tim-Bor protects treated wood as long as it is not exposed to rain or flooding. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. Deathwatch beetles prefer to infest moist wood, so try to reduce moisture levels in your home with air conditioning or with a dehumidifier. Inspect wood around your home and replace it as needed to avoid attracting beetles. Also, pick up and remove any leaf litter or wood debris around the outside of your home. Seal cracks and crevices around your home's outer perimeter with caulk or an expanding foam. This will stop Deathwatch beetles from invading and reaching your interior. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop Deathwatch beetles from infesting your property, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.